Hello guys and parents, how are you? These are the activities for this week. I hope you're having a great family time together. You can learn something new every day if you listen. We're gonna start with the page 217. Answer the following questions. Would you like to go to any of these festivals? Why and why? Do you know of another famous music festival? And how? It is similar to or different from this. What activities would you add to any of the festival to make them more attractive? Later to that, we got make a Venn diagram in your notebook showing the similarities and differences between the three festivals. You got here an example of a Venn diagram. Okay, you can guide you by the example. In the page 218, we got answer the question. Where is the festival going to be held? What time do the activities begin? Where is going to be? How much is the general admission? You got an example here. What time do the activities begin? At 10 a.m. Later to that, we got answer the question. The activities at the fair, the singers and bands participating, the type of activities at the art fair, how to get to the festival. Next to that, we got language check, asking for and giving directions. Underline the words and phrases that help you give directions in the poster. Write 4 of them. You got an example here. Take. In the page 219, we got visible thinking, creative thinking, brainstorming solutions. Imagine you're organizing a festival for your neighborhood and you want many people from around it to attend. How might you get people to go to the festival? Get crazy and generate the 5 crazy ideas, then use each of those crazy ideas to generate a more practical one. Before you begin working, analyze the following questions. What is a crazy idea? How is it different from a normal one? Is any idea really crazy? And you got an example here. Pay each customer $1 million for every dollar they spend at the fair. And practical ideas. Offer discounts to people who spend $10 or more at the fair. In the page 329, we got activity 1, review. Underline the correct answer. Number 1, the festival is going to be at, and you got the answer here, Westland Park. Activity 2, match the activity with the corresponding festival section, and what you got here, food stands in the fair. Activity 3, find an advertisement or poster related to any type of event in the newspaper or on the internet. Read it carefully and write 4 questions about the information it contains. You got an example here. This is a poster or advertisement, okay? Next to that, we got the video conference class activity. Write 10 questions about the topics watched in the English class. This activity is going to be used in the video conference. That's all for this week. Have a nice week, take care, and stay at home. Don't forget, believe you can and you will. Goodbye, guys.